Welcome. In this video, I will provide a comprehensive guide to setting up your Elder 4K semi-wireless system. This system is available in configurations featuring 4, 6, or 8 cameras. Here is the exterior packaging, which is attractively designed and contains all included components. Let us first review the package contents. Depending on the configuration you purchase, you will receive the corresponding number of cameras. Each camera is individually packaged, and upon opening, you will find the camera itself. Examining the camera's design, it features a sleek housing. The camera can be mounted either on the ceiling, using the top side of the bracket, or on a wall, utilizing the flat side of the bracket. Additionally, a mounting template is provided to assist with accurate installation. Each camera set includes a dedicated pack of screws and an individual drilling template, conveniently located inside each package. Therefore, based on your purchase, you will have 4, 6, or 8 complete sets accordingly. An accessory box accompanies every system. Inside, you will find power supplies for the cameras, each with ample cable length to facilitate connection. Waterproof lids are also supplied, allowing you to operate the cameras in wired mode if preferred. These lids enable secure network cable connections, providing the option to switch from Wi-Fi to wired operation. A short Ethernet cable is included should you choose to connect your NVR to your router directly. Alternatively, the NVR's built-in Wi-Fi may be used for a wireless router connection. Another power supply specifically labeled for the wireless NVR is provided. Please ensure you use this larger 12-volt 2-amp unit for your NVR as it delivers appropriate power. An HDMI cable is included for connecting your NVR to a television, and we recommend making this connection during the initial setup. Detailed instructions on first-time setup will follow in this video. A mouse is supplied for navigating menus and configuring system settings when the NVR is connected to your TV. We will demonstrate its use later in the video. For convenience, a small screwdriver is provided to assist in mounting the cameras. Finally, the package includes additional power supplies for any remaining cameras, according to your selected system configuration. So basically, this is what accessory you will receive with your system. And also, let's go to the other part of the system, which is the main NVR, or the recorder. You will receive an 8-channel recorder no matter how many camera you get. So you can connect the power supply here. If you would like to use a wired version to connect your NVR to your router, you can use the WAN port. And this is 2 sets of the USB input. You can attach most here. And also, in case you needed a backup, you can attach your USB thumb drive. Make sure it's a USB thumb drive version 2. And you can back up from here. USB can be up to 1 terabyte in case you needed a backup. And here is the HDMI input to attach the NVR and connect it to a TV, and also an older version of the monitor inputs and outputs called VGA. In case you have any old monitor that has the VGA and doesn't have an HDMI, you can use the VGA port. And also, it's an audio output in case you wanted to attach any speaker to the NVR. For example, if you have a monitor, probably you will not have a speaker with the monitor because the VGA port doesn't have the audio included. So you can have a speaker instead here. And these are the antennas of the NVR to make sure you have a stable connection with your cameras. So basically, these were everything you received with the package alongside with the English and French user manual, which every system that you'll get this is a quick user guide. And also there is a full user manual available on the website that you can download in case you wanted to get to know your system better and understand like advanced features. You can download that one. but this is pretty enough for setting up a system and understand the basic functions. Let's move on to the configuration section. After connecting your NVR for the first time, you'll need to go through the initial setup process. Start by selecting your preferred language. In this case, choose English. Next, set up the network connection. If you're using a wired Ethernet connection, simply proceed to the next step. If you need to connect via Wi-Fi, click on Wireless Network Settings. The NVR will automatically scan for available networks nearby. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list, enter the correct password, and connect. Once the NVR successfully connects to the network, continue to the next step. In the Date and Time section, select the appropriate time zone and enable daylight saving time if necessary. Ensure the time zone is accurate. The system will automatically synchronize the correct time online. Next, you'll reach the Storage Management section. Most systems come with a pre-installed and pre-formatted internal hard drive. If you see a prompt asking to format the drive, please proceed with formatting. In this example, the hard drive is already formatted, as indicated in the status section. You'll then see a live preview of the connected cameras, provided they are properly plugged in and within signal range. In the following step, create a new password for your NVR. This password will be required for daily operation, so make sure to remember it. The password must be at least 6 characters long. Finally, download the Smart Life app by scanning the app QR code shown on the left side of the screen using your smartphone or tablet. Now let's move on to the Smart Life app setup and learn how to pair your system. After downloading the app, open it and sign up to create your own Smart Life account. You'll need to provide your email address and create a password for the account. Once logged in, you can add your NVR system, tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the app, and select Scan from the drop-down menu. Then, use your phone's camera to scan the QR code displayed on your NVR screen. After scanning, wait a few moments while the system connects to your Smart Life account. Once pairing is complete, you'll see all connected cameras appear in the app. That completes the initial setup for the Elder 4K semi-wireless camera system. If you need further assistance, please contact our support team at support@secomart.com